wind 350 degrees 8 knots, runway 07 center, clear for takeoff.
Runway 07 center, clear for takeoff.
Booking assist 12, behind business jet, line up behind runway 07 center.
Take.
Behind business jet, line up behind 07 center, Bohemia 612.
Auto thrust engaged, check thrust.
Thrust set. Airspace alive.
Checked.
80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive right.
And gear up.
Gear up.
Departure 123.8.
Departures 1238.
Okay.
Speaker, they're falling.
Go ahead. Flight level change and manuals.
Level change, manual speed. Departures, good afternoon. It's passing 2,200, climbs 5,000, lower at 1 Tango.
Departure identified, climb by SID to flight level 160.
Climb by the SID, flight level 160.
Set 160,
160.
thank you, and then VNAV also.
And a big nav.
I think they were all above, but there's
That's checked.
And then we can take flaps up.
Okay, speed is checked.
That's a
Flaps selected up.
request direct to Breakout.
And then you can go to auto speed.
Auto speeds. 210.
Cat A336, turn left, direct to Beco, climb to flight level 6,900 meters.
I'm 6,900 meters, direct to Beco, Cat A336.
Flaps are up and indicating.
And autopilot. Oh, there we go. Autopilot on.
Autopilot.
Back. Go.
$250 knots approved.
250 knots approved. Thank you.
250.
Check.
Manual speed. And they were all above one day.
AFM.
VNAV's coming on. Flight level change.
Check.
Departure Bohemia 612, good afternoon, passing 1,200, climbing 5,000.
Bohemia 612, departure identified, climb by SID to flight level 160.
Number SID level 160, Bohemia 612.
1013, passing 93 now.
1013 is checked. Okay, climb checks, the landing gear is up.
Go ahead.
Ground spoilers are off.
Bohemia 612, request speed
Flaps are
230
up and indicating. Climb thrust is set.
612, stand by for high speed.
Sorry, bye.
And I keep going through. Seatbelt no smoke is on. Cabin pressure and temp. The pressure is good, the aircraft's pressurising, and the temperatures are set.
Cat A336, cancel.
Ultimately been set and cross-checked.
Cancel speed, Cat A336.
And the APU is shut down. Climb checks complete.
Back.
Cruise is next.